activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
You know what? You told her first you're going off.
At greater distances from the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
Alright, stay tuned for TBWs. Oh, I got KSP 32. WSK3A. And I got KC 38. Well, thanks to Tropo, I was able to get KC 38, WSK 38, and KSP 32.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WWT-59 listening area. Rainfall is in the moderate category. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
All right. Okay. Well, the lucky thing is that thanks to Tropo, I was able to get another 3 more stations during the weekly. The first thing, along with WWG59 and WXK83, the following 3 stations are the following: KEC 38, WXK 83A, and KSP 32. So now I caught all 5 TBW stations. Now thanks to that, I caught 5 TBW stations, plus K-Love as well. So that's 6 of them total. That's crazy. That was crazy. We now interrupt our weekly test compilation to bring you a little Rickroll moments of WSRZ being the Rickroll Master. Because, yeah, I started recording it for the past few seconds, and let's sit back and enjoy WSRZ Rickrolling me. Oh, really, WSRZ? Really? Why, WSRZ? Why? First Black Friday, now today. This is the 4th time you Rickrolled me. Are you kidding me, WSRZ? One.
10 to 15 knots with gusts to around. Stay nice. Except east. I think it should exist so that. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, our Pacific Area Message Encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test and now return to regular programming.
I have to record on my iPhone 7 because my iPhone 13, the battery is dead, so I can't record it because it might die because of the battery. So yeah, thank you guys for watching it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's from my side as well.